Kathy's Cute Creations.
And my little sidekick, Megan. We're going to show you the, we're going to show you the fabrics that are in the giveaway. So let me get a little close-up of it. And then we're going to do the number generator. Because I didn't show the fabrics the last time. They're very, very pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, you got some strawberries.
Yes, strawberries.
It's like a greenish goldish.
Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the white's got little polka dots in it. Alrighty, so we're going to do the generator number here on the telephone.
Generator number.
I mean,
my dear, it is called a random number.
Oh, excuse me.
Generator. It's right. It's right. Can y'all see it? There we go. How many times?
Do it 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Number 20.
Now, this is the way I wrote your numbers, the numbers on the paper. So I wrote everybody's name like this.
Is this the actual winner?
Yeah, number 20.
okay.
So who is number 20? Number 20 is Nancy Bottinger. You're the winner.
Ooh.
Number 20. Okay, so send your address, your physical address where you want me to send this.
Email it
Yes,
to
email it to
the email that is listed in the description bar below.
which is going to be KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com.
It will also be listed in the description bar below so that you can just copy and paste it into your little doodad.
And then I'm going to try to get this out. If I can get your information, I'm going to wrap it up, send it out this Friday. Okay, today is Wednesday. The 2nd. This is my children's birthday today. They were both born on June 2nd.
They're twins.
Yes.
That's how it works.
So I just got home from work, got in my shower, and I thought I'd get this up and going so you guys could respond. And thank you, everybody. I had 42 people asked for this. I wished I could have got 42 of them, really. I do. I wish all of you could participate. All right, I will see you next time. Thanks for making a comment, everybody. I loved it, and thank you for asking for the...
Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe,
and
ring the little bell
for notifications.
I needed all that. Yeah.
She needs the visuals.
Charades?
No. Visuals.
Oh, visuals. Okay, I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching my videos.